Hey guys, so there's a second video from me this week, which is kind of unusual. So today's Halloween, and Halloween is supposed to be a spooky and scary time. And you know what some people find scary? Maths. And you know some people find even scarier? Add Maths. And inside of Add Maths is a topic called trigonometric proofs. And that tends to scare a lot of people. And the truth is, when I was doing it back in Form 4, Form 5, I did have a lot of trouble with it. I had pages and pages of work that went nowhere. But the thing is, you have to understand that that is actually part of the process that helps you to know what works and what doesn't work. It helps you to experiment with stuff. And a lot of times we're afraid to make mistakes and afraid to get things wrong, and we report pages and throw away entire books because it just looks untidy. But the truth is, math is messy and life is messy, and you have to be comfortable being uncomfortable with these mistakes, because mistakes are how you learn, part of how you learn. Alright, so to that end, what I've done is I'm actually working trig proofs with my class right now, and I've typed out a bunch of solutions. So I'm just going to give you guys those solutions. If you recognize them from any of the textbooks, great. And if not, well, what I suggest is you can change the speed that you're watching the video at. You can even pause the video, copy it down, try it on your own, check back the solutions, and if you come up with a better solution than I did, great. Now, some of these solutions will use the inverted trig ratios of sec, cosec, and cotan, and I know that officially those things aren't actually on the CSEC Add Maths syllabus. I'm not entirely sure why, but I didn't set the syllabus, that's their business. So some of my workings will use identities that use those inverted trig ratios. So if you need alternative workings, you can try them on your own and send them to me. Take a picture, send them to me on Facebook or on Instagram, tag me, and I'll take a look and see how to work it out in a different way. Anyhow guys, as per usual, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment below. And as usual, if what you're doing isn't working, then adapt, because change is the only constant. Enjoy.